Welcome back, guys, and for those of you who are new, triple welcome to you. So today we're going to do an unboxing. Just two disclaimers, guys. Firstly, this is not sponsored. Secondly, I had an issue with my sound, so now I have to do a voiceover, but I'll try and stay close to the narrative as much as possible. So here you can see me just opening the package, and I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So exciting. So the first thing I got is Moschino Eau de Toilette Fresh. Second one is the pink Couture one, and the third one is the gold one. Then I also got Womanity pour Elles, and then I also got a sample of Angel from Mugler, the EDT, and also Coco Chanel Mademoisel, guys. And the two samples I got, I already smelled them, but it was a few years back, so I couldn't really remember, especially the Coco Chanel one. And then I also got two sprays. The one is from Justin Bieber, which is called Girlfriend, and then the other one is also from Justin Bieber, and it is called Someday. So this is just the first impressions, just to, you know, for you to get a idea of what my first impressions was, even though this is now a voiceover. Okay, so we're gonna try the Coco Chanel first, and I have smelled this a few years back, but I couldn't really remember what it smelled like. So I'm taking a whiff of this, and the first thing I got was, you know, a little bit of citrus notes, rose. It smells a bit musky, a bit powdery as well, and I instantly remembered what it smelled like. It's not my favorite, guys, but I have to admit the bottle is exquisite. Would I buy a big bottle of this? Probably just for the bottle, yes. If not anything else. I decided to try Someday second, just giving it a spray, and I could immediately get some fruity notes. It smelled a little bit of pear, and I could get a little bit of berries as well. It should have probably some florals in it as well, a little bit of muskiness and a little bit of vanilla, but it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Wow, this one was really good, really good. I'm even giving it a 2 thumbs up. Very impressed with that one. And then Girlfriend, which has an hideous bottle. I'll put the bottle in the frame. Also getting a little bit of berries, a little bit of florals, a little bit of amber, teeny bit of musk. Very pretty scent. Good one. Giving it also a thumbs up. But I think the other one, it was a little bit better for me. Moschino Fresh. Look at that cute bottle, guys. It's so adorable. I think mini bottles are so beautiful, guys. I'm getting some citrus, fruits. I don't know what fruits, but it's fruity, it's floral, maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. And then also a little bit of woody notes. Very nice, very fresh out of the shower. It's a good one, guys. This one is a good one, but I'll have to test it a little bit more. But off the bat, quite good. Second one from Moschino, Pink Couture, also the fresh range. Look at that! Oh my goodness guys, these bottles are so adorable. I love my mini perfumes. And I collect them also on the side. Wow, nice. Fruity. Am I getting a mango note? Is it mango or can it be pomegranate? I don't know. A little bit of florals as well. Woody. Yeah. Also a good one, guys. And then this is the gold one. How stunning is that bottle, guys? And I think the mini bottles are more prettier than the bigger ones. Okay, this one. I'll put it on my skin. I smell fruity scents. Could that be peach or mango? I'm not sure. Florals as well. Woody, musky. I don't know if this is... I couldn't smell like the same DNA. They are quite different from each other, but each one beautiful in their own way. And I think this one is the best one for me out of the three. And then in terms of Justin Bieber, Someday is the best one for me. Now let's go to the Mugler. I've smelled this before, guys, but it was also years back, and I faintly remember what it smells like. Struggling a bit to get this top open. I don't want to break it, so I have to be very careful to open this. Goodness. Okay. Oh goodness, and I got, yes, I remember, fig and salt water. This is what I'm getting, guys. This is so interesting and strange, guys. I just appreciate Mugler fragrances. It's very unique. It's not everybody's cup of tea, guys. Not a safe blind buy at all. But I love it. And I think I'll have to get a big bottle before it gets sold out, because apparently it's discontinued. Look at that cute bottle. I have to smell this again. Wow. Very unique and strange. But I like it. Last one is Angel, guys. I remember the first time I smelled this, and I think it was the EDP. I really did not like it. I kind of hated it. It gave me an instant headache. But this is the EDT, and it's supposed to be a little bit softer smelling, and it is still strong. But I get it's very sweet, probably caramel and chocolate and honey, and a patchouli bomb. But I remember the EDP being much stronger. So I actually like this one. The EDT is a little bit more bearable. It's still strong, long lasting probably. But I'm surprised that I'm liking this now. It just shows you how your palette changes over the years. So out of these three, I think the gold one is my favorite, Someday. And then from the Mugler ones, it's like a toss-up. But if I have to choose between them, I'll choose the Womanity. And then Coco Chanel is exactly what I remember it to be. So here they are again. Aren't these bottles cute? All of the things that I ordered, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. And thank you so much for watching, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.